Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need to act calmly and methodically. First, confirm the kitten's age and recent feeding. Once done, warm a small amount of water to about body temperature and have a towel ready. Make a 30 to 60-second plan. Feed if hungry, then hold the kitten on your lap, belly down. Using a moist cotton ball or the tip of a 1 ml syringe, gently rub the area below the tail. You're mimicking the mother's tongue. This stimulates bowel activity. Once the initial stimulation is done, continue with gentle circular strokes for 1 to 2 minutes, then pause and check for results. If nothing happens, a brief warm bath for 2 to 3 minutes can relax abdominal muscles and encourage elimination. Make sure to dry the kitten thoroughly and keep it warm. Meanwhile, monitor stool color and consistency because those details tell you hydration and diet status. Keep a log of timing and techniques so you can tell your vet exactly what you tried. When the kitten has pooped, clean the area gently, dry and keep it warm, then resume normal feeding and observe for the next elimination. If nothing happens within 24 hours or the kitten shows signs of pain, vomiting, or lethargy, contact your veterinarian immediately. These are red flags. Do not give human laxatives. Instead, vets may recommend small syringe fluids or a kitten-safe stool softener. Finally, note any recurring.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.